welcome back into Good Day Kansas. Today we have another Every Mile of Life with Midway Motors segment, and we are really excited to introduce to you Katie Anderson, who has been with Midway through many miles of life. She's been here since she was 16 years old. We love that. So we are, Katie, today we're talking about, it's summertime, there's camps to go to, there's swimming pools to drop kids off at, there's a lot going on.
Yeah.
A minivan is a safe way to get everybody around, but they're not what they used to be, are they?
They are not. So on our new Chrysler Pacificas, some of the really cool features that they have is the stow and go. You can stow all the seats, easy to get in and out of. Great buttons to push to close the doors. No kids are slamming fingers or hitting other car doors when they're getting out. So
right, and let's check out the back. There's some more storage.
Yeah. It's great to have the cargo space if you need it, but if you're needing to throw some extra equipment in, you can go ahead and stow these seats over here. One of the great features that this Pacifica has is the electronic stow and go. So you just go over here, press the button, and it goes ahead and stows those seats for you.
Oh my gosh, so convenient.
It is.
All right, we talked about storage, but let's talk about those kids on a long road trip. How do we keep them entertained?
Yeah, so this Pacifica has the dual DVD headrests.
Okay.
You can open them up. The kids are able to play a couple games on there. They can watch movies on here.
Oh my gosh.
Hours and hours of entertainment that we can go through.
All right, Katie, we talked about storage, we talked about entertainment, and now we're talking convenience with this third one.
Right. So this van is super convenient. It has a really cool feature that helps you park the van in a parallel parking scene. So why don't we hop in and try that out?
Oh gosh, I'm a little nervous, but I definitely want to try it. Let's go.
Yes, yeah. Go ahead and press the park assist on, and then just drive forward, and it's showing you over there.
All right.
It's gonna look for a
spot
for you. So once you keep on going, you kind of have to go up through that to that second van, and then it'll ding at you. Now remove hands.
Oh, this part freaks me out.
And take your hands off the wheel, and then put it in reverse. Make sure you keep your foot on the brake a little bit.
Okay. All right.
It's gonna go.
Oh, it's turning. Oh my gosh. All right. Trust the process. Oh my gosh. My hands are up. I'm not doing it. I'm scared, but I'm not doing it.
And then it'll tell you when to put it into drive. There you go. And now
and are we good?
I think
we're good.
Yep, we're good.
Well, minivans certainly not what they used to be, and you can actually try them out by renting them.
Yeah, if you're not ready to purchase something, you can give us a call and we can make a reservation for a minivan for your next family road trip.
I love that idea. Also, just how can we get more information about Midway?
Yeah, head on over to www.midwaymotors.com.
Katie, thank you so much.
Thank you.
More from Good Day Kansas after this.